All right, y'all, with 2 days before Christmas, man, we had to go out to take Chuck to work on our first day of being home. Y'all, that cold air temperature was biting. It is roughly about like 15 degrees outside, but it's reading 18. You talking about somebody going through, I don't know. I could never imagine, like I couldn't even imagine the homeless sleeping outside in this like 15-degree weather. Hey y'all, I'm finally put together. It is definitely a little bit warmer now that like the sun has decided to come out. So this morning I'm gonna get ready to make me some biscuits and gravy, and then from there there's a couple of things that I need to do around the house. Being that it's my first day here on break, and the kids kind of got stuff from like my mother and my grandmother. Cam got a new bedding set I need to put on, and then I also need to put away my clothes. So hopefully that is like my goal for today. The main goal for today is to get the clothes put away. So I'm gonna get ready to head in and get all that done and get my biscuits and gravy tackled. So taking everything out, I didn't realize that my grandma went ahead and bought the matching curtains. So these glow in the dark, and it's a blackout panel, so it's energy efficient. Rod, pocket, gray gamer, glow in the dark. All right, so let's see what these actually look like up. This is actually really nice. So all that he has to do is just slide it when he wants to open stuff up.
Keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree tomorrow.
All right, y'all, so the mailman just came by not too long ago and dropped something off at the door. All right, y'all, so today's video, I meant to say, is sponsored now that I know that it is here. So today's video is sponsored because this company sent me over a color or a paint by number picture. It was something that I got to pick out that I wanted, and I wanted to do something to my liking. So the paint by number one that I chose was this. So the one that I chose is the island one right here. I thought, like, I love to paint, I love to do crafts, but what I also love is the beach, the sunsets, the sunrise. So here it is. This company is called Paint Vibe. They were nice enough to send me over a paint by number premium package here. So on the back, it gives you all of the things that you need to know. So what is painting by numbers? It's basically a modern hobby that incorporates relaxation, entertainment, creativity, and learning. You can easily create a nice painting even if you don't have previous drawing experience. Simply paint over the numbered areas using the corresponding color, and then painting by numbers relieves stress, improves your mood, and boosts thinking, attention, and patience. We sincerely hope that paintvibe.com kits will bring color to your life and enable you to create fantastic gifts for you and your loved ones. The additional comments is that the paint is toxic. Avoid eating it or inhaling it. When you're not painting, close the caps on the paint tubes to prevent them from drying out. Rinse the brush before using the next color, as well as after you've finished painting. And if you've accidentally used the wrong color, don't worry. Wait until the paint dries and just apply the correct color on top of it. The colors of the actual painting on the kit box may be slightly different, but after you've completed the basics, you can add small details, trust your imagination, and create your art. So how to start painting by numbers is just to prepare a cup of water to rinse the brushes, and then you'll use the corresponding colors to paint over the numbered areas on the canvas. And then you'll start by painting over the large areas and then proceed to the small ones. Step number 4 is to prevent smudges by starting at the top of the canvas so that the dry paint stays above your hand. And then step number 5 is you can varnish this finished product, which I have here already because I love to craft, which will also protect it and brighten it. And then step number 6 is just to use the hooks on the wall and fix the holders on the edge of the frame. Slip a cord through the holders and hang the painting. So this kit right here comes with 2 wooden brushes. So 2 thin, 1 medium, 1 wide, and then numbered acrylic paint set. Organic cotton canvas stretched on a wooden frame is in here, as well as a reference sheet holder for the painting and hooks for the wall, which is amazing. And then level to hang the picture evenly. So some of the painting techniques that you can do are here. Dot painting, uneven lines, wide strokes, or smooth shading off. So using these methods, you can make your painting more realistic and improve your painting skills. When you open it up, all right, so I'm gonna get started on this, but while you guys are tuned in, definitely use my code to the link down below in my description box to order yours today. There are so many that you guys can choose from if you head over to their website and just look. If you use my code Ciara 10, C-A-I-R-A 10, then you all can get a certain percentage off of these paintings. And of course, these are things that you guys could take on vacation. You all could use these at birthday parties. You all could use these at like doing sip and paint nights. I'm telling you, the options are endless for the ideas of doing these.
When I'm with you, oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. No, you got dreams of your own.
So yeah, y'all, this is a work in progress. It's something that's keeping me busy. It's definitely like one of my favorite things to do is to paint. While I'm actually painting, I'm also watching Operation Christmas Drop, which stars Kat Graham. I really like her acting in all of the movies that she acts in. But anyways, I'm trying to knock out my Christmas list by watching, you know, those Christmas movies that I haven't watched yet this year. And I think I waited too late. And of course, I was gone all weekend from home, so I didn't really get to spend as much time as I thought that I would here to watch the movies. And I'm sure that the list could have been done. But I still, you know, want to watch like Frozen 1 and 2, all the Grinches. And then, of course, I still need to watch like the ones on Disney Plus. Of course, y'all know my favorite Christmas movies are Santa Claus 1, 2, and 3. So I am saving that for tomorrow. I haven't even like looked at those at all. I really wish I would have started earlier, but I didn't. But anyways, thanks to Paint Vibe for sending over this lovely paint set, as I am just sitting here letting the kids enjoy themselves in their room, and I am out here painting and having the time of my life. All right, so I've gotten this far, y'all. It does take time because you're having to, you know, find all the numbers, but I'm gonna take a break from painting, and Sky has asked me to make some chocolate cookies. So it's the same thing as you doing the cake mix box with like the white or the vanilla, simple and plain. So it's gonna be a chocolate cookie with chocolate chips in it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and while her cookies are baking, and I'm gonna put some chicken bouillon in some water, let that boil with some chicken for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna be making some chicken empanadas tonight. I am just in need of something different. 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and for every teaspoon that you do, you need to do a cup. All right, 6 cups of water in here along with the chicken bouillon flavoring. Mix it up really good. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place in the 2 pieces of chicken. All right, oven went off so that her cookies can bake for about 9 minutes while I get ready to pull the chicken out. So yesterday I got a whole pack of chicken breasts. So there's 4 pieces in there. I'm using 2 of them for the chicken empanadas, but I'm gonna use the other 2 to make the Marry Me chicken, which is just something that is going to basically be of, I guess like it could be a side, empanadas and some pasta, who knows, I don't know. And if not tonight, then it just goes for tomorrow to have for lunch. So I do need to go get some eggs and bread, and I also need to get who knows, y'all. I'm telling y'all, brain is fried right now with all this heat rolling in here. So, like I said, I'm making the empanada. She's making cookies. I'm making the Marry Me chicken. Like I said, obviously you got to go somewhere in order to get them. I had to go to Wegmans to find the noodles that was in the video that I saw from Pinterest. Listen, I don't care if the chicken just came straight out the package, and if you putting it in some more water, wash your chicken off. Wash your chicken off. All right, so the cookies are done. This is what they look like. This is chocolate cookies. Got my chicken all diced up. I'm gonna add some oil to this, and then I'm also adding in paprika, some Cajun seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and salt, mixing it up. But y'all just have to stay tuned to see the rest of how I make it. All right, so I had to place an order for Food Lion, which we're gonna go get really quickly. I didn't have any spinach to go in the Marry Me chicken. They had a BOGO deal I wanted to get. Needed bread, needed milk, needed eggs, and whatever else. I'll show you guys once I get back, and then I'm gonna finish my Marry Me chicken because it's not gonna take much longer.
You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy.
All right, so I'm in the house. Let me show y'all what I got really quickly because I want to get back into making my food. So I got the tree colored pepper and onion melody, some chopped spinach, 2 navel oranges, milk, a thing of detergent, as well as some Act 2 extreme butter so we can make some Grinch popcorn tomorrow. I also got the cinnamon raisin bagel, everything bagels. This was buy one get one free. I also got the Marcinio cherries, which are whole. They come with stems. I got the Tostitos restaurant style salsa and the Pinot Grigio. And then I also got a thing of 12 large eggs and a 6 count of paper towels because we ran out. All right, then I also picked up just some white bread in case the kids want to make some sandwiches. I got some chicken flavored rice. And then I got the Tostitos scoops. So this was buy one, get one free. So I spent $3 on this. And I think I spent $3 on this, but basically, yeah, anyways, and then 2 things of mini marshmallows. So like I said, we'll make some Grinch popcorn tomorrow night for movie night to watch the Grinch. But y'all, let's get back into the food.